gentlemen, as we continue with the system, this is one of the components of the irrigation system which we have just designed and we have finished installing. So here we have a 2 horsepower booster pump which is supplied from Lamasat, one of our most trusted suppliers. So this booster pump, it delivers something like 140 liters per minute, right? That's 140 liters per minute, and it requires the system to be taken good care of, because if you don't take good care of it, it will surely lead to the bursting of pipes and the bursting of the gas sprinklers which are in the field. So you have to make sure that when you open or when you switch this on, one of the valves there has to be open, so that the system will load up the pressure and it will have somewhere where it will emit the pressure from out of the system, so that the system will not look for any soft gaps and it will burst through that. So this system, we have designed it, we have finished installing it, and as you are hearing this sound of a running engine, it's on and it's actually delivering water to that side of the field. So for more designs like this, get in touch with us. And this pressure tank is there to regulate the movement of the water from the water tank, and it makes sure that the water moves nicely without any bubbles and following the Bernoulli's principle in a good manner. So get in touch with us. We will create a simple combination of all these things at an affordable price, and surely you thank us in the long run. So if you eat today, thank a farmer.